thought I'd give everyone an update on my vegetable garden. This is how they look like now. These are my tomatoes. There's not many ripe left, but there's still lots of green ones. Still waiting. So I've harvested most of the ripe tomatoes. And for the pepper ones, I haven't harvested that many yet. Here's one rotting one over here. See this? I'm going to discard this one here because it's rotting. Okay, what's amazing is my upo or gourd. They're starting to turn yellow, but look, it's still growing. Oh, this one has grown so big. This was only about 12 inches a few days ago. And there's another one that's growing. Oh, okay, over here, that's another one that's growing. But they are turning yellow. The leaves are turning yellow. They're starting to develop mildew because of the weather. There's so much moisture in the air. Actually, it's only 16 degrees right now. And the tomatoes, the eggplants, still flowering, but they're not going to make it before the frost. And my onions, I have to harvest them soon. I should have harvested them sooner, but I just don't have the time. Let's see, they're sowing. It's been raining for a couple of days now. It was raining this morning, but at least it stopped. This one is turning brown. I still have some hyacinth beans left, but they're good for next year's seedlings. Their seeds are pretty big, so I don't think it's edible anymore. And this is my Chinese celery. Yeah. Oh, it looks like it's going to rain again. Look at the clouds. Dark clouds are moving in. Windy. The green beans, I still have quite a few green beans. A lot of them are still small. And I have given up hope on my chayote. No flower at all. But here's another upo gourd. This one I have to harvest this afternoon. This one is already mature enough for seedlings. I'm going to leave it there for next year's seeds or seedlings. It's sad because the gourd or upo are still producing so many fruits, but they're starting to turn yellow. And this one is not going to make it. That's about it for this area of my garden. Let's take a look at the carrots. I have some carrots growing. Oh, this one looks pretty big. That looks like a decent size. And this one, well, it looks like a decent size also. And so is that, I think. Yeah. And this one looks like it's a small, it looks like a teeny itsy bitsy one. And also, I have given up on my, hold on, it's a lot longer. Okay. On my watermelon. They're flowering, but they're not going to make it. Not even one female. Oh, oh, look, there's one tiny watermelon, but not. It's so sad it's not going to make it. Not enough time for it to grow any bigger. And my melon, it looks like it's already dead. There you go. And these are my parsley, and there's a, is that a parsley? It looks like a parsley. I thought it was a weed. And oh, here's, oh, eggplant, a tiny eggplant. What else? I'm going back and forth here. Okay, my yard beans, of course, it's almost gone, but they're still producing some flowers. The chayote, no flower, no fruits, and there's quite a bit more of the gourd